Hi, hello, welcome back. For those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Michelle. I am a fashion and lifestyle content creator, and I would really love it if you would consider subscribing. I know it's been a minute since I've done a sit down video, and I'm actually very excited to be back and filming this video. I'm also very excited about this video because it is a Missguided haul. I love Missguided, and I'm really excited because I recently started working with them. So all of these pieces in today's video are gifted by Missguided. So thank you so much to Missguided. So let's go ahead and get into the haul. I thought I would start off with the two items that were a bit of a bust. Now this is why. I got some swimwear, and swimwear is hard. And I got one pieces. That's even harder. I'm a tall girl, and it's hard to gauge what will work and what won't when it comes to one piece bathing suit. It's probably hard for everybody across the board. Essentially, I should have sized up, and I didn't. So neither of the bathing suits fit me. I love them both, but they do not fit me, sadly. So I'll have to return those and get the proper sizing. The first suit is this really cute red and pink one. It kind of gives me like Dior vibes, you know? It has MG all over it for Missguided. It's really cute. It actually came with a matching headband, which I didn't even realize. So I think that is so cute. That would be such a fun little look. But yeah, this is just, I don't know if you can tell, maybe not, maybe you can. It is just too tiny. I got a size 6. I am not a size 6, not in Missguided bathing suits. This one is so small that I probably should have gone like with a 10. It's definitely not long enough, but it is so cute. So I'm really, really sad. As soon as I tried to pull it up, I was like, this isn't gonna work. It's not gonna work. So very sad, but definitely will be returning and getting the proper size. I have a vacation coming up, finally, next month. So I'm gonna need some swimsuits. I got this scrunched one. I forgot what this material is called, but I feel like a lot of bathing suits have come in this style lately, and it's so cute. Now this one, oddly enough, was too long, but it was too tight on the top and too big on the bottom. It was a weird fit, so I was very sad. This one I got in a size 6. You know what? This is a tall. So it was too long. So I guess in a tall size, I should go to a 4, but in a standard size, I should go to a 10? Actually, no, because the top was too tight. I think a 6 is my proper size, just maybe I'm just too broad for this. I do have broad shoulders, so that could be it. Okay, so in a tall size, I'm a 6. In a standard size, I need to be a size 10. Next, I have this really fun skirt. Look at this, how cute. So perfect for summer with like a little white tank, or maybe just like a little white like cut off tee. I think this is just like a really comfortable piece that I can wear all the time. I love that it is midi length. Now, I am not a fan of the scrunchy band here, but I've figured out the trick on like how to hide it. So what you do is you take the band, you just flip it in, and the dress sits nice and tight on you. It's actually perfect. And if you're petite and you need it to go a little bit shorter, just fold it a couple more times and it'll literally fit your length. So it's perfect. I love it. It's stretchy. I wish I would have got this sooner because it's like perfect for spring, but I think it'll be a really nice like summer skirt. It's a very comfortable stretchy material, so love this one. Next, I have this really cute paisley top here. I love it. It is a red, white, and blue, so I feel like it would be perfect for 4th of July. This video is probably actually going up on 4th of July, so happy 4th of July. I'm probably wearing this shirt. It is just a really cute, easy top, and I got this one in a size 8. Next up, I got a dress, and I feel like this style of dress is super, super popular right now. I've seen it on pretty much like every clothing website, some sort of variation of this, and it is this scrunched dress. Kind of hard to tell now, but of course trying it on for you guys. I love this. It fits so well. It's so comfortable. The arms fit perfectly. The shoulder hits perfectly. Like A++ for this dress. I love it. It's also like thick without being too hot. So I feel like I can wear maybe some Spanx shorts or regular underwear and not worry about it peeking through. It's perfect. I love this, and I'm so glad that I got it. I got it in a size 8. I was worried if I went with a size 6 that it would be too tight, and then I was worried a 10 would just be too loose, and I feel like this dress isn't meant to be loose because of the way that it's cut. It's meant to like sit on your body. So it's not like it was like a regular like cut dress where I could get away with going up a size. I felt like I had to get true to size for it to fit properly on my body. And it's like, you guys, I love this dress. I just genuinely love it. It's a little too hot for me to wear it right now, but I think like summer nights will be perfect. Next up, we've got some color. I have this bright green button-up. I love this. My intention was to get this for my lake trip next month to wear over bathing suits. I just feel like it's a perfect summer top. It's kind of like this gauzy material and it's super comfortable. I actually wore it yesterday to style a photo. If I've already posted it, I'll go ahead and post the picture here on the screen. But yeah, it is super cute, super comfortable, and I think that I could wear it multiple different ways. And I feel like green has really made a statement. Like in the last month, I feel like I'm seeing green shirts like this, green blazers, I'm seeing green bags. So I don't know, I'm having a lot of fun with color this summer. Next up, we have another button up, and this one I am obsessed with. I think I might even wear it later today. This one is definitely like a gauzy material, and I don't know if you could tell, but it's got this really interesting like design. It's so much fun. I actually posted a picture of myself today wearing this, so I'll definitely post it on the screen for you guys. It is so cute. It's just a different nice take on like your standard white button-up. I feel like I have a bunch of white button-ups, and this one just added a little bit of texture, a little bit of something different compared to the rest of the white button-ups that I have, because I do personally love wearing white button-ups, but I don't want to wear them all the time, like the exact same outfit. So this is kind of like the exact same outfit, but a little bit different. Yeah, I would love this shirt. I have this really cute bodysuit. I can't put it on a hanger. It's kind of like a weird cut. So this is it here. Obviously, I'll try it on for you guys. So it's cut like this, and then the strap goes this way, like across your chest. Now, this is like the perfect bodysuit. I love it. It must be a tall size. Let me check. It doesn't say that it's tall. Maybe I'll check online. But the bottom part right here is too long. Like I've mentioned a million times, I'm a taller girl, so I'm not really sure why this is so long. But like I can put it on, stretch it out, or even pull it up, and it's still too long. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut it. It's long enough that I can cut it. I'm gonna cut it and then not have to worry about this like long strap. But it's so cute. I love the cut that I'm like, I'm gonna just cut the bottom right off. I do not need that extra part. Next up, I have this really cute headscarf. Headscarves are so big, and you guys know that I love them. I've done a whole video on different ways to style them, and I've loved headscarves for a really long time, and so I'm so happy that they're still like a very like strong trend and still very popular for like the summer seasons, because I just feel like it's a really fun way to add some detail to your outfit, or you know, brighten up something that's a little bit more, you know, neutral for the summertime. Yeah, I love this. It's super stretchy. It is pretty sheer, so I don't know that I would wear it as a top, but I guess if you have like a nude bra on, you could wear it as like a cute little top. Yeah, love this. All right, and the last item I have is this blue like tunic top. I bought this thinking that it was like a complete button down shirt, but it is not. It's like a tunic style. It's sewn and it only opens here. It's a super open shirt. I definitely had to wear pasties, and I probably would have to wear sticky tape to keep the shirt down. I love this. I feel like it's really versatile. I feel like it's a fun bright top to wear out. I could wear this as a cover up as well over a bathing suit. It's just this part right here because it's so gaping. I thought about adding like a little clasp, so that way at nighttime or when I want to wear it out, I can actually wear it and maybe wear a regular bra if I want to without worrying about being like completely exposed. So really love this piece. Well, that was my little Missguided try-on haul. I hope you guys liked some of the pieces that you saw today. If you did like them, go ahead and check the description down below. I'll go ahead and link as many of the pieces as I can. Thank you again to Missguided for gifting me these items, and thank you to you guys for watching today's video. Again, I would love it if you would consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
I just want somebody to talk to, someone that's on